Assalamu alaikum, people. My husband's actually giving me a break today from cooking, but I actually put the masala on lamb chops, boneless chicken, and chicken on the bone, with obviously some potatoes in them. And what we did on I think it was a couple of days ago, we put the masala on them, and we let them sit in the fridge for about a couple of days. And so today we're having a barbecue, kind of a barbecue actually. The plan was to cook them outside, but the weather is horrendous. It's just raining and non-stop. So ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਅਸੀਂ cook pan ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ. Very ideal, very good cook pans, electric cook pan, as you can see. And so we thought, you know what, ਅਸੀਂ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਕਰਦੇ. So this is actually in my utility room, in my other kitchen. Obviously, I've put them there, and I've opened the back door. So my husband is cooking them actually. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And not to forget that, please subscribe to my channel, comment, and please like our videos. ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ, and we will make dua for you all. Thank you. So like I said, we're having a family over, my nieces and nephews, my sister's family, and we sort of kind of like doing a barbecue thing, obviously in the cook pans, and the weather's not good at all, so we're just doing it inside, trying to show you can do it inside as well. It's in my utility room, and yeah, oh my god, look at the weather. It's really bad. It's raining, and I hope you can see. Yeah, so it's been raining all day. Look at the woodland at the back. Yeah, so I'm just standing next to my husband, recording him cooking for us today. देखो किनिया सोनिया बनदियां पियां माशाल्लाह steaks chicken steaks and my husband's doing them giving me a break thank you हड्डी वाला चिकन हैगा है mashallah look at that mashallah mashallah I tell you these cook pans are so ideal when you go somewhere you can take it with you can take them with you obviously plug it in and you can basically just make your own masala take your own chicken and meat with your own masala on and you can actually take it anywhere
ਦੱਸੋ ਨਾ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਗਏ
ਅਸੀਂ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਗਏ ਸੀ
ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਬਣਾਈ ਦੀ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ
my husband took it to Pakistan and we usually cook in this in our Pakistan house inshallah when we go Pakistan our vlog will be coming up as well right so these are the lamb chops mashallah mashallah with the baby potatoes mashallah like I said these are the smaller ones the cook pans and that's the big one there you can get them from anywhere Amazon you can get them from they're really ideal very ideal because I bought my daughter one as well so they're really ideal
for a big family
yeah
cooking, easy cooking
it's actually easy you can make handi in this as well you can make curries in this as well so ideal mashallah the champa ho giyan ne mashallah kinniya nice hoyan kinna time lagya ji
ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 1.5 hour ਲੱਗਿਆ slow cook ਤੇ ਕੀਤੀ
there you go see 1.5 hour on slow cook and look how well done they've become mashallah
onions on the top and also pepper
peppers
red
and onion
green and red pepper
yeah that's
for
mashallah
extra
really
taste
good
you know if somebody likes it yeah it'll be nice you can eat it as it is or
well, look I've zoomed it in just to show mashallah
chips or lamb chops
ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਿਪਸ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਖਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਰੈਪਸ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਖਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਰੋਟੀ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਪਰੌਠੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਖਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ that's nice mashallah ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਾਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਖਾਣਾ ਹੈ
ਬਣਾ ਲੈਣੇ ਆਪਣੇ
ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਸਟੇਕਸ ਹੋ ਗਈਆਂ ਮਾਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਨਾਈਸ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਬਣਾਣੇ
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਰੈਪ ਬਣਾ ਲਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ
oh yeah we put them in
chicken burger ਬਣਾ ਲਿੱਤੇ ਨੇ
yeah we put them in burger buns and we put them in wraps as well so whoever wants what and look mashallah they're looking really tasty mashallah obviously they've had the taster
chicken.
also the chicken on the bone with a bit of bonelesses in it and a bit of potatoes look how mashallah nice and that gone and same again whoever wants to eat it whichever way you prefer to eat it and that's mashallah really nice mashallah. There mashallah everything is ready here are the lamb chops mashallah these are the potatoes that my sister brought these are the wraps oh there's the these are the wraps and the paratha rotis salad cheese if anybody wants these are the chips mashallah these chips from the local chippy there you go and the chicken mashallah so I think we're ready to eat now and look at the rain outside it's still not settled down like I said you can do the barbecue inside as well oh and Allah da naam leke shuru kariye mashallah dekho charo kul sade mashallah let's get ready to eat